What's up guys, I'm Zach and this is my van, the Lazy Express. She's a 2007 Dodge Sprinter that I spent 3 months converting into my new home. Let's go inside. The first thing I want to point out is the mosquito netting on the doors so I can have the door open without it getting too buggy inside. This is my kitchen area just opposite of the door. I have my junk bowl secured to the counter. I have these cabinets with all my cooking supplies. I have pots and pans down there, some dry food storage. All the cabinets are bungeed shut. I made all the main structures out of plywood and 2x4s. This panel on the counter actually lifts up and becomes my stove. So it's jerry-rigged to a propane tank in the back. Up in this cabinet, I keep some extra dry food like pasta, spices, tea, things like that. This is my sink. It's opposite the stove and right next to the door. It's made out of an old wooden salad bowl. I don't have an electric faucet or anything, so I suspended a 4-gallon water jug above the sink and I have a toggle switch on it. So it's less running water and more like falling water. And it drains to this 5-gallon drain bucket. And I also keep toiletries and medical supplies in this cabinet. Just behind the sink is this triangular nook that I dedicated to my backpack. And the back of the nook actually creates a ramp that goes down to the back and I use it as a laundry chute. This is my main storage cabinet. It holds mostly clothes. It's 3 big shelves with these long crates on them. Just next to my kitchen counter, I have a simple bench with 2 storage compartments underneath. I keep shoes in this crate and my camera equipment in this crate. And I also have this table that slides out from above the cabinet. It's just a polished piece of plywood on drawer slides. As for my electrical system, I have 400 watts of Renogy solar panels on the roof, which charge my 2 155 amp hour batteries. The batteries then power my 12-volt fridge, my Dometic ventilation fan, and my 110-watt inverter, which gives me regular outlets to charge my phone, camera, and laptop. Up here is my charge controller, which tells me things like how the solar panels are doing, how full the batteries are, and how many amps I'm using at a time. Up here is my bed. I sleep on a 4-inch memory foam mattress topper. It's a little wider and a little shorter than a king. There's so much room for activities! Some other more detail-oriented things. The walls are made of cork, so it's easy for me to pin stuff up. And I also have these touch lights that run on AA batteries. Let's look in the back, or the garage as I call it. It's mostly just extra storage. I have extra water, my propane tank, my laundry basket, storage bins, and my tool bag. Behind this wooden panel here is where I keep my 2 155 amp hour batteries and my fuse box. And that's the Lazy Express. Hope you guys enjoyed the van tour. With that, I'll say stay safe, be kind, and go do something that puts a smile on your face. I'll see you next time.